Mark from Mustard Bikes here. We're in the workshop with the 2021 MT-09 and we're going to fit our little fly screen to it. Reports are that this does really well with that low wind speed blast and also the high wind speed blast, and gets the wind off your chest, so it's a nice little addition to the bike. Installation, really simple. All we need is our 5mm Allen key. The screen bolts up on the 4 bolts that hold on the top of your headlight here, so we just need to remove those. And there's a little washer underneath, so we're just going to take those washers with it. So then we're just going to quickly check the alignment of the screen, make sure that those holes are close. Now these are bent by hand on a manual bending machine, so it could be that you just need to spread it open or close it in a tiny little bit by hand, but it should be pretty close. So we're going to lay the screen on top and simply replace the bolts. I'm going to start with the front two. We're just not going to tighten the whole way up, we're just going to start just with a little bit. And then once we've got all 4 of the bolts started on the threads, we can do them up. So it is worth, after you've been for a ride or two, just double check the tightness of these bolts. And that's it, nice and simple. If you haven't yet purchased the product and you'd like to, mustardbikes.com, we have a range of other products for the MT-09, a tail tidy, pillion peg delete kit, a few other bits and pieces. Don't forget to let us know how you went, like us on Facebook, tag us on Instagram. We'll catch you next time.